Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making watermelon tutti frutti. Please like and subscribe to the channel. First take a watermelon and cut it into pieces as shown. Now cut off its red part. Then cut off its white part too. Now cut the white part into cubes. Set it aside. Now take a pot utensil and pour in 4 cups of water. Add in the cut up cubes of the watermelon. Mix it and let it boil for 10 minutes. Shift into a strainer. Now take another pot utensil and add in 2 cups of sugar. Pour in 2 cups of water. Mix it together. Add in the watermelon cubes. Mix everything together. Pour in 1 tablespoon of Cura essence. Now let it cook until it is soft. Divide the watermelon pieces into 4 parts. Add in food colors of your choice. Mix all of it together. Now that the tutti frutti is ready, transfer into another bowl and strain it. If you want to store it for a long time, keep it under a fan for 1 day and in sunlight 1 day too.